I'm going to show you a fast way to add a signature line to your document using a table. So we'll go up to the Insert tab and choose Table, and I'll highlight 2 columns and 2 rows. Now I'll move to the divider line between the 2 columns, and when I get this shape, I'll just drag it in a bit. And then in this first cell, I'll type an X, and then on the Home tab, I'll have that selected. I'll center it and make it big. And then I'll go to the second row and I'll select both these cells. I'll go up to Layout and I'll tell it to merge the cells. And then I'll type the name and the title and anything else I'd like. Then all I need to do is select the entire table. I'll click on this shape here, and then I'll go back to the Home tab. I'll click the drop-down portion of Borders, and the first thing I'll do is set No Border. Then I'll simply select these 2 cells, go back to the Border command, choose Bottom Border, and there you have it, a fast way to add a signature line.